In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the image adjustment video effect on the VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, select Effects and Filters, and then you want to select the Video Effects tab at the top. And there should be an item underneath Essential that says Image Adjust. Go ahead and check mark that. You can adjust the images through here if you want to change the settings for that, and then select Save and close the save, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.